Hey everyone!
Hey everyone! We are so excited to be here, back at the Howard Johnsons Anaheim, one of our favorite places to stay when we go to Disneyland.
Yes, we're here at the lobby right now, but today we're showing you some awesome rooms over at the Economy Pavilions. It's going to be really fun.
Yeah, so when you guys get here to Howard Johnson's to check in, where do you go to check in, Kara?
You go right here to the lobby, front desk.
It's at the very front. Across from the lobby is Building 1, and then out this way is the water park and all the rest of the buildings.
And the coolest thing about Building 1 is that there is the mid-mod market there, so if you ever need anything on your trip, head straight over.
So this is my favorite place to stay when we come to Disneyland because it's really only an 8-minute walk to Disney. It's so close.
Yeah, it's so fun to have such a bright campus. You have the pool and the water park, and there's just so much to do and explore here.
Honestly, this entire place is beautiful and one of my favorite places to stay.
Yeah, and it's only an 8-minute walk to Disney, so like it's really hot today because it's the summer. And so in the middle of the day, like after you've already rope dropped, but you still want to catch the fireworks, it's nice to recharge back in the hotel.
Yes, middle of the day, just kind of get out of the sun for a little bit, charge your phones.
Yeah, so even if you guys aren't just coming to Disneyland, Howard Johnson's is a great place to center your Southern California vacation.
Yes, you can go everywhere from here. You can go up to LA, down to San Diego, and there's so much to see right here in Orange County.
It's literally perfect.
Yes.
So if you guys are coming to Southern California, this is the place to stay.
Stay at HOJO.
That we missed our entrance.
Oh my gosh, we did, okay.
We're heading to Building 3 right now.
We're having too much fun talking to you guys, oh my gosh. So we are just getting right now to Building 3. That is right here. It's actually, besides Building 1, it's the closest building to the lobby. So I think it's pretty sweet.
Yeah, so Building 3 is right here across from Building 1. You come in this way, we have some awesome rooms.
So if you're staying in buildings 3 through 6, if you're on the second floor, you do have to take some stairs.
Because there are no elevators in this building, so be sure to let the front desk know when you check in.
Yes, it's not too bad. It's only one flight, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Only 14 stairs.
All right,
it's not too
let's
bad.
go.
All right, so this is an economy double bedroom. It's pretty awesome.
With a fantastic mirror, obviously.
Yes.
Wait. Did you say double bedroom?
No.
Where's the other bedroom?
Double bedroom with like a space there.
Oh, double bed. That makes more sense. And one of the cool features of this room is that they actually have an Amazon Alexa right here, and you can ask it for things like extra towels, to contact the front desk. You can talk to Alexa, or you can just like play music and sync to Spotify.
Something that's awesome about the room, we mentioned recharging earlier. Check it out, guys. There's all these little chargers all around the room. This right here, you can charge your phones and up to 3 wall outlets. There's an extension over there. There's an outlet that way.
Yes, and as content creators specifically, we go through a lot of batteries, so it is nice to be able to charge.
The coolest thing about every HOJO's room is that they all have a balcony, or in this case, a patio, because we are on the first floor. But yeah, it's nice and chill, and this one leads us right off into the courtyard.
Outside of all the space that you see for luggage, there's also this closet right here, so there's lots of space. And in the closet is a rollaway that you can add on to the room, and that makes this room sleep up to 5 people.
Yeah, something that the HOJO rooms are really good at is storage space. There's so many places to put your luggage, and put your bags, your souvenirs from the parks. And when you come to recharge in the middle of the day, they have an internet TV, so you can sit back, relax, and watch Netflix.
A cool thing about this room is that it has 2 sinks with awesome lighting, so you can always get ready twice as fast. There is lots of space in this bathroom and an awesome tub shower.
Something else that's awesome is that every room has this awesome mini kitchen. We have a Keurig coffee maker, microwave, and mini fridge.
So buildings 3, 4, 5, and 6, one of the ones that we're in right now, are 2-story buildings, and the second story has a skylight that is super awesome that we'll show you in the next video.
And the team has a saying at HOJO, and that's "We strive for 5," which is a 5-star review on TripAdvisor.
If anything on your stay is not 5-star worthy, be sure to let the front desk know.
Yes, absolutely. They will do everything. They're so helpful over there. And if everything was 5-star worthy, then leave a 5-star review on TripAdvisor.
Let them know.
All right, we're gonna head back over to the parks now, but we had so much fun today.
Yes, we had so
yeah.
much fun hanging out with you guys. I'm Adam.
I'm Kara.
I'm Eric.
And we are
The Insiders. And this is the Howard Johnsons Anaheim.
Yes. All right, let's go get our Disney on.
All right,
Oh
we'll
yeah.
see you guys.
Bye.